the reception. You can see it's a lobby. This is how it looks like. So do visit here. I shall share the most of the videos, and this is how it looks like. Awesome furniture, sizzling browning has been served. So this is the lobby of hotel. They have these old types of steps, furniture. This is how the night view looks like. Now our lift has come up, so go, and very soon I'll show you the lobby. Hello guys, this is Sandeep, and you can see this is the Belagavi Regenta hotel. It has awesome scenery. It's a kind of monsoon, and they have awesome gallery to sit back, and also the wonderful cushions, wonderful decks, and all the hotel amenities are good. So try to get it here. For more information, follow me. I'll share you this some of the videos of the food and other things. These are the villas are there, so you can have your personal stay as well. So these are the different villas in circular motion, and you can have different things at the same villa, like the game section. You have pool, although it's not open due to COVID, and this is open coffee shop. This is the evening, awesome evening. A lot of sports activities are happening. These are the villas. These are the open coffee house. Stay tuned. This is the pool, so you can play the pool. At the same time, this kind of furnitures are given. Again, you can celebrate your birthday here. This is the offer. These are the cakes given here, and this is how the sitting arrangement. Very beautiful fishes are there. This is the lobby. This is a nice sitting area, and this is the reception.